Sumaya, so we're gonna be on this area on the test day, and there's another test route where you go over the bridge. Okay, so examiner will ask you if you're coming from the Latin Bazar side, town center side is gonna be right, and if you're coming from this side, sometimes examiner will ask you to go left and go towards that bridge. So that bridge is not controlled by the traffic lights, and you cannot see the other side of the bridge. So what you need to do, you have to honk your horn, okay? Because you need to notify the people I'm coming. So it's basically from here. So take the next road on the left, please. So if you are coming from the town center side, it will be right. And if you are coming from this side, from Michigan side, it will be left. Yeah. Carry on. That's fine, nicely. Yeah. Do not hold the traffic behind. Smoothly by the speed of 10 to 15 miles per hour. Okay. So the speed here on this road is 50. As you are going down, okay, so it's narrow. That bridge as well. Okay, first of all, you have to deal. This priority rule applies, and after that, bridge is coming. So that is one of the hot spots in Lighton Bazar. Not many people knows about it. So if you're not going to use your horn, they will fail you for that. You must have read that in your theory test. Okay. So as we are coming here, so priority rule applies. We don't have the priority here, but we can see ahead anyway. Okay. So this is low bridge, narrow. That's fine. Yeah. So now that particular bridge I was talking about is coming, right? There are two bridges, but one bridge you can't see at all. Okay, there you have to use your horn properly. Okay, you see the sign here? Yeah, this bridge. Slow down, a little bit slow. Yes, this space here. Continue, keep going, and use your horn. Bit more. That's it, like this. Okay, and now if you hear some horn, then you wait there. So we haven't heard anything. So we are going. Understand? Yeah. This was the bridge I was talking about. And then there's another bridge coming soon after this, but that's not the bad one. Okay, because you can see the other side. As no one is coming, then you can manage it. You can go yourself. If somebody is coming, you can wait further down, a little bit more. Yeah, you can see clearly, and this is your priority anyway.